switchblade, 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 switchblade. I'ma take the rape, no cap. Trying to not get clapped. I'm tapped in, bulletproof vest, no strap. Don't test me, cut through quick, that's fast, yeah. Switchblade, switchblade, switchblade.
So we are headed to Chemesiu Hill. That one up there is Chemesiu. You see, everybody is asking me like, am I a forest lady? You people, you're being too harsh. Be kind, kidogo.
But everywhere it's a showdown, yeah. Always on top, never go down, yeah. Doing this is all I know now. Switchblade, 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 switchblade.
Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. For those who are new, my name is Shantrizah. For my returning subscribers, I love you so much. Thank you for the love and care you've been showing me on my previous videos. So today, as you can see, my dress code is Chinese already. So today we're going to Ngong Hills for a night, my brother and I. So I don't want to do much of introduction, so let's head straight. Love you guys.
Hi guys, we are headed to Ngong Hills for a hike. I'm the driver. This is my sister.
I'm the sister. So guys, let's head straight. Love you guys.
I think you fell in love too fast.
So here guys, I was hyping my bro as we headed straight to the petrol station to fuel our car. You know, once you're a passenger princess, you have to do the deal. You have to pay the deal. So yeah, we fueled our car then. To him before you know I love you. Opted not to pass the Kiserian way because of traffic. Na pia tukupitia njia ya Gataka, there was some accidents. So yeah, we are headed straight. At least hapa sahi barabara iko clear. So guys, as you can see, the road is clear. So once you're getting into the forest, you have to pay at the gate. So let's head straight in the video, guys. I'm sorry for keeping you waiting. Love you guys. Got these beautiful flowers. I had to pick one for my hair. See how beautiful they are. Bro, alisema he's not changing. The cold is too much. Hi, bro.
Ile meme mzungu alisema look at those views. Lakini Mkenya nyoka yesi kosa huko na.
So guys, this was the first hill that we want to do. Can you see the views? Like I feel like Nila to see the Tony. Anyway, I know I'm an animal, but I cannot live in the forest. So this is the first hill, and I have switched on my health so that I can see how far I've gone, because I've added a lot of kgs. I want to see how many calories I'm going to lose today. So yeah guys, let's go on the first hill with me. So let me tell you guys, this was the sweet and bitter moment. I was happy, but then in a few minutes I was like, what am I doing? I know, yes, we are marathon runners, but Mora, please don't overdo yourself, because at the end of the day, you are the queen and the king of your life. So I had to cool down, because a few minutes later I couldn't even manage to walk straight, and my bro was like, I told you, stop running, just walk, just save your energy, because the hill was
steep. It was steep. Like when you were coming down, you were seeing as if it was low. But let me tell you, Maina, wow. I was tired, but I was like, I had to push myself because I had to make sure I got to the last one. Here is me laughing at myself. Anyway, it's okay. Then bro decided to showcase how strong he is. He tried. Then a few seconds later, he was like, oh, sis, I cannot do this. But then he tried again, and he was like, a man has to push himself beyond the limits.
We are headed to Chemesiu Hill. That one up there is Chemesiu. You see the views. Hey, sijui nianza kufanya kazi kwa forest, because now everybody is asking me like, am I a forest lady? You people, you're being too harsh. Be kind kidogo. Lafu kumewaka jua. I don't know if I'll make it.
We had a stopover here to buy energizers, and those of you who have watched my previous videos, you know how I love this place because it's a sacred area. You find Mokorino mostly here praying here.
Guys, we have finished the Chepsiwi hill. I came here to check out this favorite tree of mine, the surprise. It's not my fault when we end up capsized. So let's head straight. I feel rejuvenated. I've already taken a snack, some biscuits, and water and glucose. So here we're heading straight. So bro, already iwacha. So yeah, see you guys on the next hill. So there is a road. I don't know if you can see it here. Let me point. You see here where my finger is right now, there's like a bridge. I'm going there to take photos. Let me show you how it looks. So you have to pass through there that way to head there. So now this is the entry to the forest. The rest, I don't know. Sasa hapa ndio utamu wa forest. Like, you can see there is even a way. There's like hookums and slashes here. There's even a way. At this point I was feeling myself. I can't wait to reach to that. Somebody is even feeling like ni kama tunaenda kwa hidden gem. Sorry venye na hema. Somebody anaweza ni kama tunaenda kwa hidden gem.
here bro alikuwa zile za like hurry up, we have to get to the finish line. So here's the place that I was telling you. Let me tell you, kulikuwa kuna kunyesha very very heavy. It was class.
Come to the forest. When you come mnaniita village girl, forest girl, right now mnaniita forest girl. Kujeni kumejaa mboga huku. There's a lot of food. Somebody should not lie to you to touch this one. Usinajua hii?
Yeah.
Somebody should not lie to you that you touch this one. If you do, you are gone. Hii ile inawashanga mtu. Actually nilisikia sijui ndio inaitwa dhafai.
From the quality of the video, you can just tell tulikuwa tumenyeshewa. Let me tell you, Maina, cats and dogs, ile kukimbia tulikimbia hapa. Hata ya maandamano kidogo, it was chaotic. Alafu bado kufika kwa gari, I had to entertain bro, because I'm zileza like, if I don't entertain him, I'm tired, I'm having bruises on my legs, I cannot walk very well, I cannot run anymore. I had to entertain him until anifikishe mahali safe. I was like, no, I cannot do this.
I know some days with you is paradise, but now you spin me in a web with all your lies. Want you to feel the way I feel inside. I'm reaching out for help, you got me in a riptide.
We got to Rongai. I just told bro, please let's head straight to my favorite restaurant so far in Rongai, Arosto. Of course, their food is 10/10. Their ambience, like the customer care, is 10/10. I'll highly recommend them. So guys, for those of you who are asking how to support the channel, as always, hit my email. I'll send you the number. And those who cannot access that one, text me on my TikTok shantrizah.